There are many ways to protect the environment, but you might not have seen this one coming. In the U.S., livestock is one of the largest sources of methane emissions. According to the EPA, a single cow can produce 160 to 270 pounds of methane gas every year. Multiply that by nearly 99 million cattle on our dairy and beef farms, and it's clearly a problem. But scientists in New Zealand think they have a solution. They just released a probiotic formula called kowbucha to lower methane emissions by essentially making cows burp less.
We got the results of the first cattle trial back, and we were able to show that we got a reduction in methane of up to 20% in those animals.
The probiotics are especially important for farms in New Zealand because the government has proposed emissions taxes on farm animals. But testing on the product will have to continue.